Good morning, everyone. So today I'm going to talk about some issues faced by journalists in Sri Lanka in terms of labor rights. Um, so when it's come to labor rights, there are a number of issues faced by Sri Lankan journalists in their working places, such as some of the workplaces are not issued a proper employment contract for the journalist. It is kind of issues with them. Uh, Apart from that, there are some institutions did not allow a journalist to be part of the union or part of association to fight against right violation in Sri Lanka, which is very common in Sri Lanka, especially in the private media, so where they have their own house style to govern their institutions. So with that their own style, they are not allowing journalists to be part of any union or any association to fight against their right violation, so which is completely against the constitution of Sri Lanka. So according to the constitution, 14.1g clearly indicate that every person has the right to choose their own occupation or profession and be part of any of the associations. So which is clearly indicating in the constitutions. So the preventing them to to partake in the association or union, it's completely violation of human rights. So what we can do to overcome this issue, as far as my concern, in Sri Lanka journalists are polarized based on their language, based on their regions, based on the media that they are working, and I don't see a uniformity or I don't see a unity among the journalists. So if they can bring some unity among the journalists, fight for a common cause. The second proposal I would suggest, if there is any right violation, it should be speak up. So if you face any issues in terms of labor, in terms of human rights violation, you should be speak up and file action against the media or against the owner of the media. If there is any right violation, so you can go ahead and file a petition in the Supreme Court, and you can proceed with the proceedings, so which also provide an opportunity for other journalists to follow the case law and to ensure the protection within the media houses. So this could be a second proposal I would suggest. But anyhow, the unity is very important, so we have to be unite and fight for our rights. So all the very best. Thank you. Fight for a common cause which may lead them to win over their right violations. So this could be one action or one proposal I would suggest to overcome this issue. The second thing, we have to promote journalism as a professional occupation, which is not recognized in Sri Lanka as a professional occupation. So we have to promote and advocate to bring this issue at the national level and to recognize journalism as a professional occupation in Sri Lanka. So which could be overcome most of the labor issues in Sri Lanka.